In this short video, I'm going to show you how we installed 200 square feet of thin brick veneers on two adjacent walls. For this project, we have used pure white colored wire cut style brick veneers. This style thin brick veneers have straight edges and unique wire cut texture on the face. It is perfect for a more contemporary setting, but if grouted right, you can use it in any design settings. The first step is making sure that the wall is dust free and you can achieve a proper bond to the bricks. We usually use a blue bonding agent for every project to help getting the best bond. You can pour it into a paint tray and just roll it on the wall in a very thin coat. For the installation of thin brick veneers, you would need S-type white mortar mix, little bit of hydrated lime and white or gray thinset mortar. We were using thinset mortar to install the brick veneers. Mix your thinset to a thick peanut butter consistency. If you want to install white bricks, preferably get white thinset so when you are installing you are not going to have gray smudges on the top of your thin bricks. The second step is making the layout. We use a brick ruler to set each course evenly and then pop chalk lines on every second course for the guidelines of the top of the brick veneers. This will allow you to have straight lines on every brick course. The second wall was made from plywood, and since thin brick veneers will not stick to wood, we had to put a 1/4 inch cement backer board on the top of it. We adhered the backer boards with 1¼ inch drywall screws. The cement boards not only reinforced the wall, but provided the best bonding for the brick veneers. Keep buttering the back of every tile and just stick them on the wall. The joint sizes can be smaller, but usually it is 3/8 of an inch thickness, which will be filled with white mortar mix later. We made cutouts for every outlet and the shelves. You can cut your brick tiles with a grinder or a wet saw. The next step was grouting. We used pure white S-type mortar mix for grouting. We also add a scoop of hydrated lime to the mix, which will allow us to squeeze the mortar out of the bag easier. Twist your bag and slightly press on the side in order to squeeze the mud into the joints. We used a concave jointer tool to even out the joints on the brick wall. After jointing, wait 20 minutes for the mortar to dry and use a stiff brush to brush off excess mortar off the wall. The last step was to take down the scaffolding and clear the floor, and you can be ready for furnishing and enjoy your brand new brick walls.